Hello friends, welcome to Sizzling Taste Buds. Today we shall see a very interesting sabji, a side dish made with lots of bits of vegetables. You can essentially call this a fridge cleaning sabji or a gravy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do click on the subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you very much. Let's get to see how to make this no onion, no garlic fridge cleaning sabji. I have used the following sabjis that are outlined here, but you can use any sabjis that go well together. So in a pan or a pressure cooker, take oil about 1 to 2 teaspoons and add the tempering ingredients. I have used mustard, jeera and methi seeds. Let it splutter well and add all the washed and cubed vegetables. You can use any vegetables as already mentioned, but make sure that they are washed thoroughly and cubed into approximately the same size. Saute the vegetables on a low flame for about 1 to 3 minutes, and slowly you will see that the tomatoes are turning soft and the oil and the tempering coats the vegetables evenly. At this point of time, add the salt and other spice powders. All the ingredients required to make the sabji are outlined in the link given in the description box below. After about 2-3 minutes, once the masala powders and the salt and spice coats the vegetables evenly, add either water or vegetable stock. I had 2 glasses of vegetable stock which I used. Once the stock or the water begins to boil along with the vegetables, add a few teaspoons of chopped coriander leaves, the lid, and let it cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Once the vegetables are cooked and the pressure is released, mix 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour in about 4 teaspoons of water and make it into a slurry. Add the slurry into the boiled vegetables. This gives some thickness which would otherwise have come from the onion garlic paste. Once you add the gram flour, you can see that it has slightly thickened. If you want it thickened more, you can add a little more of gram flour. So finish off this curry with chopped coriander leaves and a teaspoon of crushed Kasuri Methi. Gives a wonderful aroma. So we have a wonderful sabji that utilizes bits and pieces of your fridge vegetables as well as makes a great side dish, and hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we hope to see you again, and till then, take care and stay well.